like that. High five, handshake. Bam! Oh. And slam! And bam! These villains. Microwave and Rubik's Man, and there are heroes. They learned how to fight and kick them in their face. So he's up there. Microwave and Rubik's Man. Microwave, Rubik's Man. They always are friends. To get the all in bang. And it's microwave. Do 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 do. Microwave Man and Rubik's Cube. Such a good day in the beach. But look, suddenly, Tara's telling them, hey, Microwave and Rubik's Man, the police is calling you. Huh? Hey, Microwave Man and Rubik's Man, Curly escaped 8 times and now Curly escaped today. Please, can you help me find Curly so I can send him back to jail? We got you. Okay. Make sure you bring Curly back. Now go. Let's fly. Woo! Woo! Flying. Thank goodness these cops run away, so they will never catch me. But I'm free. I hope Microwave Man and Rubik's Man will never find me in this island. Ouch! Let's see, right? Let me touch the water. Oh, it looks good to me. Oh, my feet are swimming. Alright, Microwave Man. Let's see if Curly is in this water. But at least I got goggles. Oh, do you hear? Oh, it's swimming. What? Octoman. Yeah. Few minutes later. Thank goodness you're safe. Please. Dang it. It's a good day in my life. Hey, cops. What? Guess we got... Curly. There you are. Let me go. No, you're going. Now let's celebrate. 3, 2, 1. Microwave! I hate microwave. Oof. Ouch. Yay! Microwave saves the day by getting Curly arrested. The end. High five. High five, Microwave Man.